Hello Curiousyman, it's been a while. We're here in a tiny house today. I'm gonna make a ladder, staircase, planter over here. So this is 18-inch and I'm gonna have 12-inch sections. I'm gonna go 8 foot high, and at the top, instead of going 90°, I got myself 245 angle. I thought that probably will look better. So yeah, there's different quality of those, definitely. I got some at different places. The tolerances and the quality is shit. So this is at the farmer supply, which get the good stuff. You know, it's still China made, but whatever. It still should be good, but they don't even sit flat, so it's pretty annoying. So here, I weighed it earlier. It's 14 kilograms, so quite heavy stuff. But I mean, it's indestructible. It's gonna structurally reinforce the tiny house. And here it's great because it's also help with the window, of course. I mean, I already welded frames around the window, so it's a bit overkill. And the price tag is $215. So yeah, it's not that cheap, but you know, if you were to buy even a ladder, yeah, ladder can be expensive if they are well built, and they will not fit exactly your needs. So yeah, anyway, I thought that was a good way to do it. So I'm gonna stop here, make a time lapse. I need to clean all this because it's covered with oil. Proof that I did not think it through. I come to put it together and I realized that it's gonna be pretty hard to put together. The reason being is that those are threaded on, and to thread on like that, then you end up being stuck. So luckily there's a lot of thread, and by hand I can basically thread half deep, not even like a third deep. So what I'm thinking, and I hope it's gonna work, and that should be enough, otherwise I have a more drastic solution. So I'm gonna take this plier and I'm gonna oh no, I want to avoid to make burrs. I don't mind scratches, but burrs are not nice for the hands. So I'm gonna tighten it good, and hopefully then I can thread into those. And still be threaded on both sides. And hopefully still strong enough. Because if I keep doing this here, then it's gonna pop off the top, obviously. So yeah, right now I'm kind of halfway. I've got some thread at the bottom, some at the top. Yeah, not that much either. Yeah, I wish I could crank, like have everything tied up a lot more. Basically what happened is that I chose to assemble both sides and then tie them as tight as I could, facing the proper direction there, roughly. And now I've tightened the cross sections, same, as hard as I could. It's alright, it's alright. It's strong. It's modular, indeed. A little bit more flexible than I thought. But at least the function is here, It's very minimal, it's not intrusive. Yeah, I'm stoked. Finally have something to go up and down safely. Finally.